Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakras, the perfect blend of magic and science. Today we're going to be talking about the throat chakra, what you could expect to feel if there's any toxic energy there, how you could tell whether it's spinning too fast or too slow, and what the throat chakra actually controls in your life. So obviously the throat chakra is in the hollow of your throat. It controls your vocal cords. It controls your neck and shoulders. It controls the back of your neck. It controls your thyroid. So emotionally, you're going to expect to be able to communicate with people in a way that really captures their attention, in a way where people are hanging on your every word. If you are a therapist or a salesman or even a politician, you want to be able to have the ability to speak where your words just create magic. The throat chakra is also in control of how you take in information though, and that's something that a lot of people don't realize, that it's not all just about talking. It's about how you take in information. Are you able to listen and really truly grasp what the person is saying, and then respond in a way that they truly need to hear it? Not everybody is going to be able to respond to your words in the way the next person would. Sometimes you need to be able to figure out, how is this person going to respond to me? The throat chakra is definitely in control of that, as well as public speaking, singing, reading out loud, anything that uses your ability to communicate with others. That's the throat chakra's job. Now, if you want to figure out whether your throat chakra is spinning too fast or too slow, it's actually pretty obvious. Someone who doesn't have the ability to control or filter their words, if you are constantly being told you're too blunt, you're too honest, you're hurting my feelings, then you probably have a throat chakra that's spinning a bit too fast. Not everyone is going to be able to handle your power that you're putting out there into the world. Now, if you have the opposite problem, to where no matter how much you speak and no matter how much you try to communicate with someone, it's like your words are just going right over their head. You feel like nobody could hear you. You feel like your words just aren't making an impact. Then obviously your throat chakra is not spinning fast enough. Now, some common problems with the throat chakra is that it might not be hooked up to your solar plexus. Now, this problem is like having a keyboard and a monitor, but they're not plugged into each other. Now, you may have a great monitor, but if the keyboard is not plugged in, then you're not going to get the full function of it. If your throat is not connected to your solar plexus, what's going to happen is you're not going to speak from your inner confidence. And you may have fantastic words. Your words might be like magic, but you won't know it. You won't feel it. So therefore, you're not using it to its fullest potential. If you are constantly getting strep throat or bronchitis or pain of any kind in your throat, or maybe you've had some surgeries in your throat, those are signs of some toxic energy in your throat chakra, as well as thyroid problems. That's a sign of problems in your throat chakra, vocal cords, even some pain in your neck or shoulders. That's a sign of toxic energy. And you want to start meditating using some crystals, especially clear quartz, to absorb that toxic energy so that you could get it to spin appropriately. When the throat chakra spins, just like any other chakra, it's going to have a vibration to it. And that vibration, just like any other chakra, is like a computer code. So your words are literally going to vibrate with a certain frequency. And the person on the other end doesn't realize it, but they're hearing the frequency in your words, not the volume, not the words that you're saying, but the frequency behind the words. And that controls their response to you. If you have any questions about how to figure out if your throat chakra is spinning appropriately, please leave your comments below, and I am more than happy to help you analyze this. If you need any help figuring out whether or not your throat chakra is spinning too fast or too slow, or if there's toxic energy there, just leave your comments below and I am happy to answer your questions. I'm also happy to help you figure out how you could balance out this problem. Again, leave your comments below or email me, and I hope to see you again. Love and light.